Cruising down the Moscow River is one of the most unforgettable ways to witness the city. Iconic landmarks like the Kremlin, St. Basil's Cathedral, and the towering Moscow State University rise proudly on the skyline as boats glide past. In the golden light of evening, their reflections shimmer across the water, creating a canvas of color and calm. Couples hold hands on riverside benches, cyclists breeze along the embankments, and street performers fill the air with music. Life pulses gently here, unhurried and sincere.